Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we are going to continue the topic called bridges. The previous session I explained about what is hub and everything, repeaters and so on. Please kindly support our channel and check the playlist and comment also. Today we are going to see the important topic called the introduction to bridge. What is bridge or what is why we need bridge and so on. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing the UGC NET and all university and college level exam also. Let's go for session today. So what is bridge? We can say bridge simple way is a network device that connect multiple net LANs together to form a larger network and sharing information. The target is and operates the data link layer as well as the physical layer also. So we can a bridges means you can connect two LANs. Then by joining multiple LANs, bridges can help in multiplying the network capacity of a single LAN also. And before we seeing one more diagram is there. Let's see. This is one more diagram for bridge how it. So in in the practical life flyover means is connecting two places. So here also two different hubs and some system is there. The bridge will help to connect it. Then let's see the example diagram here. So here let's assume that there will be a port 1 and port 2. Both are connected by the bridge here. So here bridge is the one. Okay, here in P1 the machine having connected with the machine 1 2 3 4 and port 2 it have connected with the M6 M7 M5 and M8 here. So now the first one more point given here, important point is forwarding. What is mean by forwarding here? That means suppose the system M1 want to send message to M5, what will happen? The system message will keep on going to the bridge. After from the bridge, what happens with the help of bridge? It move to the M5. So like that you can forward, or else M3 want to communicate to M7, it can easily communicate. That is possible. Next they given the point here, filtering. So filtering is what? That means stop or temporary stop or stop the process. Remove or stop the process. Why? Because let's assume that in the same configuration this LAN environment the M1 want to send the message to M3. So what will happen? The message will directly pass from M1 to M3, no doubt. Okay, and again go to bridge. After that it stop the work and filter and stop, because no need, because M1 M2 communication over here, M1 to M2 M3 communication over. So like that you stop the filtering also. And moreover here important point is the M1 M2 here, suppose we are sending message from M6 M3 to M6 means M3 is the source and M6 is the destination address. Then there are two types of bridges will be there. One is called static, another one is called dynamic or transparent. Static bridges we are not using much, only little bit. We means we see the diagram here. One more diagram we understand. So static means what? The manually I'm the user, I can manually shift the, for example, manually have the table and monitor everything. That means the machine won't connect with the M1 P1 as seen in the diagram. See, as look in the diagram. Then here, so similarly M2 connect with the P1 port, and similarly M5 connect with the P2, M7 connect with the P2 and so on. So static is the one. Suppose for example let's say the practical exam in my college I have one computer. I am sitting the lab 1, I can shift to lab 2. After that what happen, if I want to give LAN connection, I can configure and do some modification. I can change the MAC address manually. For example in the computer I can give the MAC address of 20 and so on, machine like that. So static is the one. Temporarily, okay, temporarily means some limited operation can do with the static one. So to avoid overcome of static and better functionality and sharing information, we can go another one called dynamic. So dynamic which what happen, there will be empty table. The empty table have the information of MAC and port. Here already table with information, but here at runtime only we see MAC and port address. Let's assume the same diagram here. So here what happened, let's assume that here the M1 want to communicate M6, here M1 to M6. So what will happen here, let's see here, M1 want to communicate M6 means it go via port 1 with the help of bridge. Similarly, once how do you know M1 sending the message? The M6 what have to replay. Replaying is very important. Or acknowledge for suppose the M1 sending the message hi, the M6 is replayed. So when you starting point, M1 is the source and M6 the destination. But when you're replying, M6 the source and M1 is the destination. So once reply come, then only acknowledgement come only now the message transfer successfully between the computers or machines. So here the M6 to M1 will how will it happen with the help of P2 only, with the help of bridge and the P2 port. And moreover the advantage, because the advantage of bridge is what? No collision. Why no collision? Because it follows the store and forward concept. Store and forward concept. So once message or message come to bridge, it have a one storage capacity called buffer. Remember, so buffer is the one, sorry for inconvenient, buffer is the one where it, so suppose message one coming, packet 1, it is packet 1 and message 1 coming, it save the information. Again packet 2 message 2 coming, it go and save the information. So keep on coming and reduce and stop the collision here. So you know what is meant bridge? Bridge is one of the important connecting device where you have two different LAN network we can connect easily with the help of bridge. And also it supports the filtering, forwarding. So one place to one computer to another computer when you want to can forward the message, and also filtering. So suppose if you want to stop the communication in between, you can stop once the task is completed. Okay, these all are about the bridges. The upcoming system release another network components. For any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.